This is our CO2 laser machine. Now I will teach you how to use the vaginal camera. There are 3 probes for the camera. One for the whole vaginal, this one for the side of the vaginal, and this one for the top of vaginal. First, we need to prepare a PC or computer. Connect the hand. When you receive the machine, we will send you a software and download the software. Okay, open it. Now, the vaginal camera already connects the computer. And this is the button to adjust the light. This is a button for take a picture. Put the hand into vaginal. Yes, we will see the environment inside the vaginal. Then we could take a picture. Okay.